Hey traders, just wanted to talk through this example of an automated trendline trade which I took today. It's on the CAD Swiss franc pair, which you can see here. The trade was actually entered at this point here, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours ago. You can see down here it was entered at 17:50 on the system time, which is GMT +2, and we're GMT 1919 at the moment. Basically, what happened was I took this trading decision based upon index data. And I have a product here called Orion, which is an index gain analyzer. And a few hours ago, Swiss franc was very weak, and the Canadian dollar was particularly strong on the day. You can see here things have changed a little bit. Swiss franc is second weakest pair on the day. It's the weakest pair for the week. And moving down to the smaller time frames, it's the third weakest pair on the 4 hourly and again on the hourly, but it's fairly close to the start of the new hour. So the hourly and 4 hourly data will tend to be roughly similar. Canadian dollar on all of these time frames seems to be about the third strongest, and in terms of the week it's about mid-level, but certainly Swiss francs seem way down. So that's the basis why I set the system up to trade a long Canadian dollar Swiss franc position. I drew the trend line underneath these swing low points on the Saudi chart. I set the trend line up with buy SL, it's the stop loss equals 20, and a position of 1.0 loss. What I did later on is I started trailing by 20 pips behind price action, just to lock in profit on the day. Currently we are $276 or so dollars up, so about 27. Latest our trailing stop has actually moved north of our entry point, so I've moved the take profit level up above R3 here. I may well let that run even more, and I can easily adjust that just by simply clicking on the level and moving it to whatever new level I like. And then the system automatically joins stop loss and take profit level with a thing called an order join, which is specific to this trend line. So you can see the order down here, 235.61807, corresponds to this trend line here, 61807. So that's an example of using gold, which is the automated trend line trading system, in a simple dip buying context based upon index strength, which is what we use to actually determine our trading pair, and simply drawing a trend line underneath the hourly swing low points to give us an entry. You also note that there's some daily pivots on here, which is the daily pivots version 3 system from FX Only Trader, which just gave me a bit of feel-good factor about why these levels, why there was support around this level. That was because of R1, and the fact the trend line kind of intersected R1, and also yesterday's high was just underneath it, kind of gave me even more confidence that this trade would probably, well, this pair will be supported around this level. So there you go, that's an example of how to use a combination of 3 products, daily pivots, the Orion Index Gain Analyzer, and gold, which is the automated trendline trading system. Thanks very much for watching.